Good morning, my dear students. I am Sindhu. I am your zoology lecturer. Today, I am going to start the chapter Animal Architecture. Animals have certain basic characteristics which establish relationship among them. These characteristics are as follows: grades of organization, symmetry, body cavity. First, move on to the grades of organization. This shows how cells are arranged in animals. There are five types of grades of organization in animals. They are acellular or protoplasmic grade of organization, cellular grade of organization, tissue grade of organization, organ grade of organization, and organ system grade of organization. First, acellular or protoplasmic grade of organization. This, this is found in protozoa, for example, amoeba. Here, all the activities are carried out by the protoplasm present within a single cell. Okay, for example, in amoeba. It carried out in amoeba. Next, come to the cellular grade of organization. Here, in cellular grade of organization, the body is made up of many cells and the cells are loosely arranged and independent. Here, there is no coordination between cells. Each cell is going to work on its own. For example, porifera. Okay, porifera. Some examples are sponges. Okay. Next, come to the tissue grade of organization. This is seen in coelentrates. Here, the cells aggregate to form tissues. Here the animals are multicellular. Okay, multicellular means many cells. We can see coordination between these cells. They are coordinating with each other means there forms a tissue. Tissue is nothing but collection of cells which is performing a specific function. For example, hydra. Next, coming to the organ grade of organization. Here, the tissues aggregate together to form organs. For example, platyhelminthes. Next, coming to the organ system grade of organization. Here, many organs join together to form an organ system. For example, digestive system of cockroach. Next, coming to the symmetry. Symmetry refers to the arrangement of the way in which a plane or planes of axis can divide the body. Okay, there are five types of symmetry in animals. They are asymmetry, spherical symmetry, radial symmetry, bilateral symmetry, and biradial symmetry. Next, coming to the asymmetry. Here, asymmetry means the body parts are irregularly arranged around the central axis. Such animals cannot be divided into two equal halves. For example, amoeba. See here the body parts are irregularly arranged around the central axis. Right? Here animals cannot be divided into two equal halves. Next, spherical symmetry. Here the body can be divided into two equal halves in any plane. For example, Streptococcus bacteria. See here, this is a spherical symmetry. Here, body can be divided into two equal halves in any plane. Okay, example, Streptococcus bacteria. Next, coming to the radial symmetry. Here, the body can be split into two equal halves by any plane passing through central axis. For example, starfish. See here, this is the example starfish for radial symmetry. Here, body can be split into two equal halves by any plane. Example, starfish. Okay. Next, coming to the bilateral symmetry. Bilateral symmetry means the body can be cut into two equal halves by only one plane. Example, Drosophila. See here, this is Drosophila. Example for bilateral symmetry. Here, the body can be cut into two equal halves by only one plane. Right? If you cut like this, you can't get two equal halves equally, right? You can cut into two equal halves by only one plane to get equal halves. Okay. Okay, next, biradial symmetry. Here, it is a combination of bilateral and biradial symmetry. For example, Ctenophora. This is the example for biradial symmetry. This is a combination of both bilateral as well as biradial. Okay. Thank you.